Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail shrimp. First, select fresh, large shrimp for the best flavor. Proper cleaning and deveining are crucial for a pleasant experience. Remember, quick boiling ensures your shrimp remain tender and juicy. We'll cover each step to create perfect, restaurant-quality cocktail shrimp right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your guests. Let's get started with preparation. Carefully peel and devein about 1.5 pounds of raw shrimp, leaving the tails on for that classic cocktail look. After cleaning, give them a good rinse under cold water. This ensures they are perfectly clean. Also, have an ice bath ready. It's key for stopping the cooking process and keeping the shrimp tender. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and financial freedom. You can find a link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Your support helps us create more content. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the cooking. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add your prepared shrimp. If you have a lot, cook them in batches to maintain water temperature. Boil them for just 1 to 3 minutes or until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque throughout. Overcooking makes them tough, so watch closely. The moment your shrimp are cooked, immediately plunge them into the ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking and keeps them perfectly tender. Let them chill for at least 15 minutes, ensuring they are thoroughly cold before serving. Arrange them beautifully with a zesty cocktail sauce and fresh lemon wedges for a truly delightful appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.